If you clicked to see the new December Printable Kit or to peek inside my junk journal planner for this month, you are in the perfect spot. Let's bring some light into December together. Today I'm walking you through the free December Printable Kit, and then I will show you how I set up my December junk journal planner signature. I use mine to plan my life week by week. Appointments, my therapy schedule, to-do lists, and I know some of you like using a similar structure. These printables are just an optional extra flavor for the month, and honestly, I find December deserves something a little gentle and bright. If you're new here, I'm Gajana, a psychotherapist who loves slow crafting and using paper as a way to take care of our nervous system. While I show you what's inside this month's printable kit, I want to talk a little bit about why light felt like the right theme for December this year. December is such an interesting month because it doesn't look the same everywhere. Here in New Zealand, we are moving into summer. Longer days, warm evenings, that easy, beautiful golden light in the afternoons. And yet, even in all that brightness, December can also feel emotionally quite heavy. The end of the year arrives with its own weight. Expectations, family dynamics, memories, unfinished goals, and the pressure to hold everything together before January begins. And for many of you in the Northern Hemisphere, December is in the middle of winter. The light fades early, the days grow shorter, and the cold settles in, like a mix of reflection, tiredness, and the emotional load that often comes with the end of the year. So for this month, I designed these soft, spacious pages and paired them with some labels and fussy cuts and a daily mindful prompt, just one tiny invitation to notice a moment of light. Not the big dramatic kind, the everyday kind, the kind that quietly says, I'm here, notice me. And what I love is that once you start noticing those small little bits, whether it's a long summer evening or a winter sunrise, December suddenly feels a little bit more manageable. It doesn't become perfect, it doesn't need to, it simply feels held. And sometimes that's exactly the kind of December we need. And then there's the planner itself. It's a simple system once you see it. Each signature is 1 month. Inside that month, I add one fold-out page for each week. The inside of the fold-out is where I do all my planning, client appointments, admin, life things. The outside becomes a weekly mind map. I love having one place to spill all the thoughts that don't belong on a tiny calendar. And again, the printable kit doesn't belong to the planner. I just like using a special theme for each month because it creates a gentle rhythm for me. And also separate from the planner, but still connected in spirit, is the mental health collage challenge I spoke about before. Every day in December, I will post one gentle prompt on the community tab, something like, notice how the morning light falls through a window, or something like that. And you collect one tiny item that represents that moment, a shape, a color, a scrap. By the end of the month, you have 31 little treasures. And on the first Monday of January, we meet live and turn those tiny notices into a collage. Some people tuck that collage right into their December signature and use it as a cover. It folds beautifully in half, and others keep it as a standalone piece. So, this is our December signature. So, the only thing left to do is gluing in the weekly fold-outs. For December, I need 5 folds outs because we have 5 Mondays. You can glue them in however you like. I like to use one of the pages on the left and the right and to glue them in half. I show you what I mean. If it is folded, that I'm gluing it here on the left hand side. so that it will open up to the left hand side. This side here I'm using for my mind map, and when I open it up I have my calendar. And I do this with all 5 pages. I can do it here in the beginning, I did it to the left, and here on my final page I'm doing it to the right. Okay, let's include it in the calendar. It's very, very easy because it is a traveler's notebook kind of cover, and here just with the elastic band I can just slide it in, and even at a later point I can add as many papers as I like. Here you can see the final version with the white paper showing where my weekly mind map goes. Here in the middle I have lots of space to journal and to make little pockets and to write about whatever I like for this month. What I also would like to do, because some of you are interested in it, I would like to show you a flip through of my November pages. Here you can see this one here shows, look, I did some Lego together with my daughter this month. I just want to make beautiful things, but how to make the time? Oh, I'm always rushing. It always feels as if I have not enough time. That's really one of my themes. So I put this little clock here and 2 journaling cards. And here I did some stamping around, and I used the heart from the beginning of the page and have 2 journaling cards behind it. My mind map again. This was from one of the videos, 10 things I cannot control and 10 things I can. Some stamping again, and a little tuck spot for a journaling card for this week. This here was from Jem, her letter or her little card for me with her parcel. Oh, I loved it so much. Go check out the video of her so generous parcel. Here it is. And I really would like to have this as a reminder. Look, I made a photo of all the goodies that she put in Jem's creative space. Go check it out. Such a beautiful thing. And here, stop and smell the flowers that was on the parcel, like a little on the bow of the parcel. Ah, yes, no, I like to keep these things. Another video of the Christmas fair my daughter and I went to, and this little Christmas tree here. And this is the last week. I had a little bit of space, so I wrote breathe or breath. And here's our December signature. The free December printables are linked below if you like them. And I love to hear what kind of light are you hoping to carry into December. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. We'll be meeting live to create our November collage together on Monday the 1st of December at 9 a.m. New Zealand time. I hope to find you there. Bye for now.